Hi students, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel. Computer Science Day 1 12th Standard 15 Day Study Plan la இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது first day. So this is much awaited by all the people. This is the year that which you are expecting more from this study plan, my dear children. So let us go to the video. Please go through entire video. You will be able to know how the plan is, and then you will be able to get very good marks during your examination, my dear children. Let us go. I always say that முயற்சி plus பயிற்சி which is equal to வெற்றி. So unless you have a முயற்சி, you will not be able to get a வெற்றி, my dear children. So முயற்சியும் பயிற்சியும் இருந்தால் தான் you will be able to get வெற்றி. ஸோ இந்த தேர்வு என் வாழ்க்கையின் சிறந்த தேர்வாக இருக்கும் என்று எண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு தேர்வையும் எழுத வேண்டும். Please make note of that each and every exam which you are writing is the one which is be the best exam of your life. அந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் திங்க் பண்ணிட்டு எழுதிங்கன்னா definitely you will be able to succeed, my dear children. Your journey towards your dream has begun. So now we are going to write the part 12th examination. This is the final moment of your school studies. If you score very well marks, then this is the deciding factor of your career path. So please make note of that, and let us go to the video. So day 1 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 15th February 2024 Thursdayல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம வந்து 2 marks and 3 marks பார்க்க போறோம். ஸோ அதில் வந்து காலையில் 6 மணிலேருந்து 1 மணி வரைக்கும் 2 marksம் 2 மணிலேருந்து 7:30 மணி வரைக்கும் 3 marks நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். சரிங்களா? ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர் ஃபார் திஸ் and make sure that it has to be done as per the study timing, my dear children. ஸோ 6லேருந்து 7 மணி வரைக்கும் என்னென்னா ஸோ மொத்தம் 8 கொஷின் எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஸோ இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாம் கவர் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த கொஷினை மட்டும் நீங்கள் 2 marksல படித்தா போதும். ஒரு ஹவருக்கும் ஒரு 8 கொஷின் 7 கொஷின் ஒரு 9 கொஷின் 10 கொஷின் இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த கொஷின் மட்டும் நீங்கள் ஒரு ஹவருக்கு ஒரு தடவை நீங்கள் படிச்சுட்டே போனீங்கன்னா that will be a very effective one for your public examination, my dear children. So let us go to the questions. First one is, what do you mean by name spaces? Second, what is searching? Write its types. 3, define operator and operand. 4, what are the types of looping supported by Python? 5, what is the use of the operator in Python? String operations. What is the use of where clause in SQL? What are the steps involved in file operation of Python and distinguish compiler and interpreter? So இது 6 மணிலேருந்து 7 மணி வரைக்கும் படிக்கிறதுக்கான questions, my dear children. Second வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 7லேருந்து 8, define functions with respect to programming language. What is mapping? What is algorithm? Define control structure. What is string? What is list in Python? What is the purpose of destructor? What is the difference between SQL and MySQL? Write command to populate record in a table. Give an example. There is 7 to 8 time ki the ninga padikkanum, my dear children. So let us then need to have a break fast 8 to 9. You have to have a break for this to have like all your personal things. Then after 1 hour, then we need to go to this next one. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So what is parameter? What do you mean by namespaces? Write short notes on tokens. Write the syntax of if class else statement. Differentiate del with remove function of list. What is class and what is RDBMS and what is CSV file and what is the use of modules? So 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. what is a subroutine? What are the main advantages of function? Do you modify a string in Python? What is data consistency? Which component of SQL lets insert values in tables and which lets to create the table? What is use of next function? Write note on sqrt function. Mention few examples of a database. What is the use of cd command? Give an example. What is a tuple? Give an example. 11 o'clock பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 11 to 12 வந்து what is tuple? Give an example. What do you mean by LGGP rule? What is searching? Write its type. What is sequential statement? What is base condition and recursive function? What is set in Python? Write the syntax for class definition. What is data manipulation? So 11 மணி முதல் 12 மணி வரை. Then 12 மணி முதல் 1 மணி வரை என்னன்னா, what are the types of parameter? Differentiate del with remove function of list. ஏற்கனவே இந்த கேள்வி உங்களுக்கு வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த கேள்வி நீங்கள் ஏற்கனவே பார்த்துருக்கீங்க. So again it is coming. So you please make note of this, my dear children. Define enclosed shape with an example. How will you create constructor in Python? Write a query that selects all students whose age is less than 18 in order-wise. What is database? Compare sorted and sort methods. What is master table? How will you install matplotlib? Then 1 to 2 is a lunch break. You can have a lunch and then have some relaxation. Then you go for the next study. Rest 2 to 3 p.m. is this the characteristic of an algorithm. Write a Python code to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. What is the use of format? Give an example. What is the alternate method? If else statement. List out set operation supported by Python. Explain class method in Python. Write a note on different types of DBMS uses. What is the difference between write mode and append mode, and what is min-g? What is its use? 3 to 4 p.m. What is the side effect of impure function? What are the key features of Python? Explain the working of break statement in for and while. What are the advantages of user-defined functions? How would you create a string in Python? What are the difference between list and dictionary? Explain the method of creation of object for a class and accessing its members. Explain structure of a database. How will you create a CSV file that contains double quotes with data? 4 to 4:30 is a tea break for you children, so you can have your tea and then have some break, and then you have to go for the next one, that is 4:30 to 5:30. That is 3 marks, my dear children. Write short notes on escape sequence with examples, syntax of while loop, explain the difference between del and clear dictionary with an example, write a note about count function in Python. What are the applications of scripting language? What is the use of where clause? Give a Python statement using the where clause. What is anonymous function? Mention the difference between fetch count and fetch many. List the types of visualization in Matplotlib. And the next one is 5:30 to 6:30 is define global scope with an example. List the difference between break and continue statement. Write the rules of local variable. Write short note about the following with suitable examples for capitalize and swap case. How do you define constructor and destructor in Python? Explain object model with example. Write a SQL statement by using distinct keyword. What is in what does it contain? Explain ternary operator with examples. And the next one is explain ternary operator with examples. Write note on if clause, etc. And differentiate CEL and floor function. Write a short note on sort or what are class members. How do you define it? What is the role of DBA? Write in a DBL commands. What is the difference Python and C++? Write into the use of data visualization. With this, I hope இந்த லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாமே கோ த்ரூ பண்ணுங்கள். 2 marks and 3 marks. This is the question where it will ask. So on a daily basis, you have to do all these things and you'll get. I hope in the video உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Please subscribe to Triple Max YouTube channel and for our friends also about this channel. Thank you.